In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on video camera for Zoom call. By the end, you'll know exactly how to show your video. Pick the right camera if you have more than one, and optionally let Zoom frame you automatically so you look centered without extra fuss. First, start or join a Zoom meeting. Open the Zoom app on your computer or mobile device and enter the meeting the way you normally do, whether that's through a link or a meeting ID. If you're on the desktop app and you don't see the meeting controls right away, move your mouse to bring them up. On mobile, just tap the screen to reveal the controls. Next, turn on your video. Look to the bottom left of the meeting window on desktop or the control bar on mobile for the camera icon. If it says Start Video or the icon has a slash through it, your camera is currently off. Click or tap it once to turn your video on. The text will change to Stop Video, which you can use later if you need to turn your camera off again. If you're prompted to allow Zoom to use your camera, approve that permission so your video can appear in the meeting. Once enabled, you'll see your own preview tile, and other participants will see you as well. If you have more than one camera, choose the correct device so the right view appears. Next to the video button on desktop, click the little arrow. A list of available cameras will appear, such as a built-in webcam or an external USB camera. Select the one you want, and Zoom will switch immediately. From that same arrow menu, you can open video settings to confirm you're centered and in focus. You'll see a live preview, which makes it easy to check that your lens isn't covered and your angle looks good. For a little extra polish, you can enable auto framing. In video settings, look for the option labeled Auto Frame My Video and turn it on. With this setting enabled, Zoom automatically adjusts your framing to keep you centered, which is especially helpful if you move slightly during the call or use a standing desk. A few quick tips to wrap up. Make sure you're facing a light source so your video looks clear. Keep the camera at eye level for a natural angle, and tidy the background or use a neutral space to minimize distractions. If controls disappear during the call, just move your mouse or tap the screen to bring them back. That's it. Your camera is now on, correctly selected, and optionally auto-framed for a clean, professional look.